Hello, my name is Thomas Lowe, and today I will be talking with you about how to use granite in desert landscaping. First of all, in a desert landscape, you will need a lot of heat, a lot of sun, in a dry climate. Also a lot of sandy soils. And in desert landscaping, you will have a lot of cacti and succulents in a desert landscape. You can use granite to help with the design of the desert landscape. It will help to add some features rather than just all plants. And also the nice thing about granite in desert landscaping is it has its own colors and own different types of color patterns in the boulders and rocks itself. Now, one important part of granite in desert landscaping and also in other rocks in landscape designs is I would highly recommend to dig out and excavate about 25% to 30% of the depth of the granite that you're going to be using if it's a granite boulder. Then roll that boulder, that granite boulder, into that excavated area and take the sand that you dug out to form that hole and put it around the sides of the granite, and that will make it look much more natural, like it's been sitting there for a very long time. And also just take trips, if you can, to the desert, or look at pictures, just actual natural pictures of granite in desert landscaping. And you know, the natural landscape itself will add some really good tips on how to use granite in desert landscaping to help add design features with your plantings. Have a great day. Thank you.